guys, welcome to Shine Beauty and Beyond. You guys have been commenting in my last few videos where you asked me to suggest some good moisturizers for oily and combination skin. Now I have oily skin, so today I'm going to be showing you the products or moisturizers that I actually use on a regular basis to prevent acne and oiliness in my face. You can easily get all these products on Amazon, and right now Amazon is having their Great Freedom Festival sale from 1st to 6th August, where they have huge discounts. So if you want to buy or stock up on any makeup or skincare products, this is the right time. I'll leave the links in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. The first product that I have is this Dot & Key Cica Calming Night Gel, and you guys might already recognize this product because I have talked about it so many times in so many of my videos, and I have been using it for I think 2-3 years now, and this is I think my 6th-7th tub. If you have acne or pimples, this is one product you need in your vanity, because once you start using it, you will see the difference in your acne. I am someone who gets acne every week. That is why this is so important for me. I always keep a stock of this night gel. This is something you can only wear at night, not in the day. But yeah, it works like magic. You just put it on and you sleep and you will see the magic in 3-4 days. Active pimples completely gone in 3 days. Also, this is very good for oily skin. It is very lightweight and it helps in controlling the sebum production. Oily skin girlies like me, or people with combination skin, people who have acne or get pimples every 2-3 days, or even people who have dry skin can use this product because it has Cica and niacinamide, both of which are very calming for the skin, so everybody can actually use it. Next is this product from Plum, which is kind of a recent launch. So this is the Cica and Hyabetane Vegan Mucin Essence. You know that snail mucin has been trending on the internet for quite some time now, and there are many brands who have come up with that. But Plum is a vegan brand, so this is a vegan version of the snail mucin essence. This is not particularly a moisturizer, but I thought that this needs a mention in this video. It is an essence which is very hydrating on the skin, first of all. And do you remember the texture of the snail mucin essences which look sticky on the skin? This looks exactly the same, but it is not sticky at all. To be very honest, after using this, I feel like my skin feels very smooth. Now, I don't know if this is a placebo effect or not, but I do feel that my skin is really smooth whenever I wake up after using this. This is for all skin types, which makes sense because the texture of this is so lightweight. When you apply it, you might feel कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, slimy सा लग रहा है, but after some time, when you let it sit, when you let it absorb, it completely gets absorbed into the skin and it does not feel sticky, it does not feel slimy. It just blends into your skin and makes your skin very hydrated. Even though I have oily skin, sometimes it gets dehydrated when I am using a lot of actives. If you want a break from the actives, if your skin is irritated from the actives and you just don't want to use them anymore, you can try it in that time. This Foxtail Oil Balancing Moisturizer is a new launch which has this little pearls in them, and internet is going gaga over this. I have seen so many people talk about this moisturizer, so I had to get it. The reason that I wanted to get it is that it says that it has oil balancing formula. It is an oil-free gel and it balances sebum production. It comes with niacinamide, azelaic acid, pearls and Cica extract. All of the ingredients are great for people who have acne prone skin and oily skin. Now, what I love about this moisturizer is that it actually mattifies your skin. If you use only this moisturizer, you will not even feel you have anything on. Normally, moisturizers give you a shine, but this one does not. But if you're layering it with products like serum, essence, toners, then it might not feel as matte as it would feel if you're using this alone. But even after layering, this does not make the face look oily. Also, it has azelaic acid and niacinamide, and I have acne right now. I'm using it regularly and I feel it is working. It is a little slow than the Dot & Key one, but still it works. I have another product from Dot & Key, and this is the Vitamin C Super Bright Moisturizer. Now, sometimes people ask me what product can I use for both my pimple and also the dark spots that those pimples leave. My answer to that is, from my experience from all these years, I feel like there is not one product that can help you with multiple skin concerns. I mean, there are some products, but usually वैसा नहीं होता है. आपको different skin concern के लिए different product लेना पड़ेगा. So this is for dark spots. As I told you, the niacinamide one is for your pimples. So after those pimples are gone, what I do is that I use this moisturizer so that the pigmentation or the dark spots that I have, that is also gone. What I do is that I use this in the day and the niacinamide one at night, so that both my skin concerns are targeted at the same time. If you have pigmentation or dark spots, you can try this vitamin C moisturizer. This is for every skin type. But I got to tell you that this is a little bit sticky because it is vitamin C. Most vitamin C products are sticky. Next, I have two hydrating products from Dot & Key, and I think by now you must have understood that Dot & Key is kind of my favorite skincare brand. This is a brand which really suits my skin, so I keep buying their products. These are the products that I have bought with my own money, so you know that I like them. Now, this is their 72-hour hydrating gel, and this is a new launch, which is their watermelon cooling icy gel moisturizer. This moisturizer is for people with oily skin, combination skin, and normal skin, but this moisturizer is only for people with oily skin and combination skin. Both of these are not for people with dry skin. They both are pretty similar in the way they work, and even the ingredients, if you'll see, they are quite similar to each other, and both of them also have fragrance in it. This will help in repairing your skin barrier. This will also help in repairing your skin barrier, but it also has niacinamide in it. So this you can also use for your pimples. I personally prefer this over this, and I have a whole review video on this product, and if you watch that, you will understand why I prefer this one. Both of them are really hydrating on the skin. They do not make your skin look oily at all, and I love these moisturizers for layering products because they work great with any kind of actives. They both have very safe kind of ingredients. I don't use these moisturizers on a daily basis like the other two moisturizers because these are something that I like to use when my skin is very irritated and I feel like my skin needs a break from all the actives and everything. Then I use these moisturizers because it helps in healing my skin and gives it some time to recover. Those were all the products that I use for my oily, acne-prone skin, and I keep repurchasing them because I really love how they work for my skin. And I'll leave all the links in my description box. And don't forget, Amazon is having their Great Freedom Festival sale from 1st to 6th August. So you can get all the products at a discounted price. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.